In this video, I will show you how to add a login icon in your Shopify. As you can see here, I don't have a login icon. To add that, go to your Shopify dashboard, then go to Settings on the lower left corner. Once in, go to Customer Accounts. Then, under the login links, you'll see here, Show login links in the header of online store and at checkout. What you need to do is to just toggle it on. Then you'll have an option to choose which version of customer accounts to link to. After choosing, you can go back to your store and refresh it. Now, as you can see, I have the login icon at the upper bar. And when they click on it, they'll have an option to sign in. And that's it. That's how you add a login icon in your Shopify store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.